Welcome to the product EMPORIA Smart 4, and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So let's just first activate the SIM card on our device, and after that let's launch the settings application. After that, scroll down to the security section and scroll a little bit down. Here you'll see the SIM card logo. Tap here once, and to remove SIM pin from your device SIM card, click on the ones on the switcher and enter currently password. In my case, that's from 1 to 4, and then just tap here to OK, and that's it. Now we can see that we just successfully removed SIM pin from our device SIM card. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.